show y'all this. Some of y'all said y'all don't see it enough. Some of y'all said y'all ain't never seen it. It's been at work. I got too many vehicles here, man. I always leave one at work, especially when I'm driving the work truck. Y'all see all of them, man. One, actually this is the first time I had them all here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's pretty crazy right there. That's a record for me, personal best. But what I'm doing right now, I came to get this hitch right here. I'm gonna put it in the back of there, and we're gonna take it to the powder coat shop, pick up the ceramic coated headers for 700 done, and the engine plates that go on the red truck right here. So I hope y'all can hear me, man. That thing licking like a fool. But yeah, that's all we're doing right now. I guess I'll shoot some footage when I get to the powder coat shop, if it's worth shooting. If it ain't, you know, we'll just show you the aftermath when we get them home or whatever. So we'll see. I'm gonna load this up, and then I guess we'll be on our way. The handle's on the inside of this. But let me set this camera down and get it loaded up. We'll be good. So this came off of the parts truck. I think I'm gonna end up putting it on 700 done because it's OEM. So they told me $45, man. Hell, that paint I be buying, that stuff like $9 a can. So $45 and they have a professional finish. So I'm gonna go for that. But I'm gonna take these bolts out. We're gonna pull up, and hopefully we can get some footage when we're there. All right, we done made it out here. Here go to before. This is the before on the hitch. So got need a little work. Got some shadows, but we got it out here. Hey, you think there's a way to leave the weight ratings and stuff on it? Can you cover that, or is what you need? The little weight ratings and all that. Can that be covered up and not painted, or is there no way to really?
Nah, you have to. We'll take that off.
This?
Yeah, we'll take it
Oh,
off.
I figured you had some hot temp tape or something you could cover over it and leave it. But no, it's all good. I'll take a picture of it then. I'll take a video and a picture. But let's go over and look at these headers right quick. Woo. Boy, look at them. Looks great. All right, there we go. We'll get this stuff back to the house. I got the music playing, but I hope I don't get no copyright, but we'll see. All right, we done made it back home. These things look amazing in the sunlight. We got jet black on the engine mounts, which those go on Tampa red. Then we got ceramic coat on the headers, and those will be for 700 on right there. I would show you the engine, but with the hood on, man, the sun and the shadow don't want to be nice, but y'all see what it look like. Looks amazing. Can't wait to get them installed on the side of the engine right there. Ooh, look at that. Look at that wash trying to get busy right there. Get him out of there. But looks good, man. It was a great move getting these put on. Y'all remember when I took it to the exhaust shop? Go ahead and get your collectors welded on beforehand. Otherwise, he would have had to grind this down to weld it, and you know, and it would have looked funny, it looked crappy. But that's it. We're gonna get them installed soon. But other than that, man, it's going well. Got the suspension, well, got the control arms and the springs done yesterday. That was a pain in the ass, but it's done. So one step at a time, man. It's going well. It's going well. That's it for now. I'll check back with y'all when I get an update and move forward with the next part of the puzzle. Mooch in the building.
Came bearing gifts.
I hear that. Mooch sent me a message, said he's seen one of our other partners leaving Summit.
Yeah.
And I was like, damn, what you doing way down there? What you had to pick up?
Had to pick up some stuff on my transmission and stuff for the truck.
So I hit him, I said, man, I need something. I need something so I can finish up the headers on the 700 done. And he grabbed it from me. So about $35, but that saved me a trip and saved me some shipping.
Oh yeah, you got you some gaskets for it?
Yeah, I got the gaskets already in the shed. The MLS gasket. They like to reuse the multi-layered steel is what that means.
Oh, I thought they were a Major League Soccer.
Wow, let's hell. You crazy, boy.
MLS, I ain't know what that was.
But yeah, this is it right here. That's all we need. It's a nice, pretty day. Got a couple things I got to do though. I might see if I can get them installed today. But yeah, Money Mooch came through on that. Boy, saved me a trip. That worked out perfect, man. So you found everything you needed, huh?
Yeah, I still got some more knickknacks and odds and ends and stuff to get. But you know, we're gonna get it. Y'all gonna be on this journey with us.
Oh yeah.
Y'all know y'all gonna come on.
We're gonna be riding here, what?
We're gonna be riding. Yeah, we're gonna be riding. We're gonna be out here.
Out in the streets.
We're gonna have them Chevys in the wind.
Yes, sir. I can't wait, boy. I got my front end done right there, so I just need to get the tie rods and stuff put on, and I can put the tires back on and put it back on the ground. So, but yeah, this is a big step right here. I gotta get that done. All right, I got a little word of advice for y'all. I just came out here to start putting the headers on 700 done, and I was fighting with these, well, actually I didn't want to fight with these lines, so I was trying to take them off. You know, when I installed the motor, they were still running up the side right there. Take these off before you put your engine transmission in. I want to use AN fittings, probably push lock and some transmission line. So I was gonna do that later on, but man, getting these out, it's a pain in the ass. These little things pop in with these clips. I'll show you. What I want to stress is take these out first. Don't put your engine in and then try to take them out, or you're gonna have to do what I just did. As you can tell, the engine is severely tilted that way. That was to give me more room to take these off. Now these come off with a little clip. You gotta pop this clip out, then you can pull that line off, that end that I showed you. As you can see, I got everything tilted to give me more room. The reason being is it's tight. They go right here. That's where they go. So take those off first before you put your engine transmission in if you plan on changing to AN fittings down the road. That was a little rough, but I got it figured out. I just want to tell y'all, don't do what I did. Get them things off first. On the last truck, the orange truck, see, it's a manual, so I didn't have to do nothing with those transmission lines. I didn't have those. So this is my first time dealing with that, and it is definitely not fun. So now that that's done, I'm gonna jack it back up, put the cross member back under it, and then I can work on putting these headers in. I'm running out of light. It's getting a little dark, so I might do them another day. But that's just a word of advice from me to you.
The next day.
All right, we out here at Nash Truck Parts, around the corner from the job. Came over here to get these universal joints for the drive shaft. They said they can go ahead and get them put on. They only charge like $15 a piece. So that's a no-brainer right there. I was gonna see if I figured it out myself, but I guess you need the right tools and whatnot. So they got these Napco, so he swears by those. So I'm gonna see if I can get some footage of it, and if not, then you know, some people don't always want to be on camera. You know how I go. But if he lets me shoot some footage, I get it and I bring it to y'all. He had his hat on backwards. He said when he put his hat forward, it's time to go to work. Look at that, what? Boy, any job can be done with the right tools. Goodness gracious. What you checking for when you do that? How smooth it is?
Yes, to make sure there ain't no birds in it.
Busting it out the pack. I'll be damned. I don't know why I was thinking it was like one circle piece. This is multiple pieces.
Yep.
All right, gotta take the caps off. That lines it up when you do that.
It gives it a place for this right here to go through and let the joint go all the way down.
These are professionals. These are professionals right here.
He calls himself a mechanic.
Yeah.
No, I don't call myself no mechanic.
That man going in over here.
We YouTubing, man.
Yeah, show me a little something.
Yeah.
You just filming white folks, no black folks?
You got something around here?
Assholes.
Are you trying to learn how to do that?
Yeah, I was.
Boy, you
Now we're going to do some editing.
You damn sure watching the wrong mother.
Yeah.
Only been doing that shit for about 3 weeks.
Oh man. Don't let them do you like that, man. Don't let them do you like that.
Hey Scott, I'll tell you how you get that start acting like you know something. You start filming his damn dead ass.
Well, you're a wild one, boy.
Oh, yeah, he is.
You're a wild.
I'm down here for moral support.
That really means you ain't worth a damn, man. I hear that. All right, there's one side. I'm gonna show it to you. Ah, he got it done. Nash truck parts, man. I bet you don't know the phone number off the top of your head.
706-549-7914.
And what's your name?
Scott.
What's your name?
Wesley.
They back here in the back, man. Come back here, get y'all drive shafts done from these real professionals right here. Oh, you ready to start it? I'll be damned. What's up, people? Ain't that something? Trying to figure out the best way to do this. Is that King Bray?
Yeah.
What's up, King Bray?
So what's up, man? What that for?
Just to keep it from the caps from coming off. I think I can get out from under here now.
Yeah.
I think. Just gotta draw it in, that's all it is.
So is it right now?
Yeah, it should be right. Once I tighten it, it'll be right. I had to take it all the way out. Like I said, it's only the damn second time I've done this. So I'm gonna tighten it down. Should be good. All right, so we got it. But this screw right here is stripping out. Well, when I took the screw back out, it had some shiny threads on it. See that gap right there? What y'all think? I need to go try another bolt, or just go ahead and tighten it all the way down? It's close, but it's not tight like the other three. And I don't know. When I took it back out, it had some shiny threads on it, so it's like it's cross-threading maybe, but I don't know. So aside from that, drive shaft is in. Drive shaft is in there. So now I can move the engine, possibly if I need to, but I think my geometry is good. Look right here. That's plenty. That's plenty of drive shaft up in that transmission right there. I could probably slide back some, but I think that's good. Cause it wouldn't hurt to have some room behind the firewall. See? So let me see if I can get these headers on. Man, that'd be a done deal. All right, so I just thought about something. Last time I did a swap on the orange truck, I forgot to tighten the engine, the dirty dingo bolts down, and the headers was in the way like crazy. So while I was just under there doing that right now, so I wouldn't forget tightening the dirty dingo bolts, I realized I needed to tighten the starter bolts. But what that made me realize was I don't have none of the battery cables, none of those terminals on right now. So the headers take up a lot of room, man, a whole lot of room. So I'm not sure if I want to put them on right now, if I still got some things that need to be installed or ran or whatever. The main thing I'm worried about is covering those holes, man, because we got these wasps and dirt daubers and all that stuff, man. So I need to put some cover on them holes, go ahead and buy some spark plugs. But I think I'm gonna wait on the headers. I think I'm just gonna wait just in case I need to either move the engine for whatever reason, run my battery cables, hook to the starter, that type of stuff. I don't want to be fighting with those headers because they're rough. I remember dealing with that on the orange truck a couple years ago. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna put these back in the shed. Y'all let me know. Let me know how y'all do it. Do y'all go ahead and put the headers on and fight around them later, or do you leave them for last and get everything installed like you like, then put them on last? Let me know what y'all do. But I think that's it for this video. I just need some time to think for a second. So I'll probably finish this video out, man. Y'all let me know, drop a comment, and we'll holler at y'all next time. Peace. Ooh. That's about 11:05 right there, man. We got to go on and get this thing cracking, man. You know, it's time to quit talking about it. I'm fonder than that, Buster.
I got one of those. I got a pizza for you.
Yeah.
So you got the peanut.